Hello everyone. Well, I'm making this video because I'm very upset on Bobcat, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is a 2007 machine, and I own it for I think a year and a half, but I bought it brand new. It was not sold for like a year or so. Anyway, right after it got out of warranty, it started losing oil, hydrostatic oil. First, it was not a biggie. Then I started, getting complaints from customers that I'm losing oil, and I was worried that my operator was not paying attention and he's gonna run it without oil. And he was losing like two quarts a day. And I ended up taking it apart. I noticed where it was leaking from. It got all messy, as you can see, because dust, it was sticking on it. It was a mess anyway. So I ended up taking apart the high flow pumps up to the control pump, and it has the spacer, and you are not gonna believe what happened. This is not a pump, it's a spacer in between pumps. I zip tied it so I don't lose the brass flange. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it or not. It has a defect it's a fabrication defect from when it was poured. It has hollow spots in it. Let me see. Let me see. Nah, you can't see it. Oh, maybe you can. Anyway, if you see this little dinghy over there, that is where the O-ring sits, and it was dripping through there. But it was dripping a lot. I was telling you, like 2 quarts a day in a 6-8 hour. I'm gonna write an email to Bobcat. Of course, it's not under warranty. I'm a Bobcat guy. There's my T190. This is my S770. I like the machine. It's powerful and it picks a lot of weight. It has AC. Yeah, that's why I like it. And other than that, I had no problems, no issues. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm pretty sure Bobcat is gonna ignore me. We'll see what happens.